since I've been on this road, but every time I'm on this road, I'm with someone that knows how to drive really well. But today I'm with a very famous driver. And we're gonna do some really dope, baby. Oh, wow. Exposed. This is what he looks like.
Wait, let me put the helmet on.
Bro, this is so tight.
Break time.
Break time for sure. Oh man. This is so baller. Yo, baby. Oh, is this touch? Oh wait, can I do this? Oh, whoa. Whoa. This is how you know you're going to nowhere. Things are going crazy. Since I met the guy, he's had me do nothing but crazy shit.
Crazy about this?
We're about to do a quarter-mile hike, all this camera equipment for a dance video. Get with it. Dude, I was about to wear shorts today. It's so cold. Oh my God, it's so cold. And we are high, like high.
I'm sober.
No, not that kind of high. This high. Bruh, this is so cool. It tickles my pickle. Bruh, leg day.
Again.
I think it was just because that thing was steep as. Oh, whoa! Today, we are with J. Rojas, exploring the volcanoes of Hawaii. This is Mount Rojas. Huh. There's a problem. There's a big problem. We made it to the location, but he did tell me that there was a big crow's nest here. I have a confession to make. I'm actually really scared of birds. I'm scared of birds, dude. Damn! This is fucking sick, dude. You know, you're at a really high point when you're either level with birds or higher than them. That is so sick! Yo! This is like a dancer's dream platform right here. Oh, by the way, this guy used to be a dancer. He used to be a dancer until he decided that cars were cooler. He was too cool to keep dancing. Okay, this spot is way too dope. Time to actually do what we came here to do, boy. I have to. When you're with Unmstkn, Jay, you got to. So needed. Dude, high key, it is so relaxing being up here. No one has more baby making music than this guy. Oh, Papa. Oh, what is the Rojas up to? What is the Rojas up to?
No masterpiece. 10 bad bitches in it. One bad bitch look like a masterpiece.
What the f? Throw the set! Throw the set! Smell weed. I think he came up with ideas. I think that's an idea. Wow! I just got mad fan service off that clip right there.
I know, right? Yo.
Damn, man, people be breaking bottles here. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I love that spot. Bruh, this is tight. This is so dope. There you have it. You should totally sign up to ride along with J. Rojas. It's pretty fun. For a low cost of 300 per hour, boy, worth. TCH is so baller. I'm so hungry. So hungry.
So hungry too. I'm falling asleep.
Oh, nice hoodie, dude. Nice hoodie. Wow, nice hoodie, dude.
Look, Haley just texted.
Yo. Haley, I love you.
Johnny?
Yes.
Haley, can you please tell me you just woke up and you're fully awake?
I just woke up and I'm half awake.
Bro, let's go eat.
We're at K-Town.
That's okay!
Bro, let's go eat.
Just ate breakfast.
Okay, you just ate
How are you half
breakfast.
awake?
Because I'm so full from my breakfast that I'm sleepy again.
Okay, bro, let's go eat.
I already ate so much.
Listen, Harry Potter, let's go eat.
I'm so full.
Haley!
Dinner.
Haley!
What?
Come on! on!
literally have like leftovers in my teeth right now.
Whack.
I'm so cool.
You're so whack. That says Gaylord. Oh, I'm starting to drag. I'm so hungry. Dude, what the f is in your mouth? Oh, nice shirt. Whoa, nice. Whoa! Nice. You can't see it.
Go, fool! I'm hungry!
The bayou. The bayou. So, what I really actually love about hanging with Jay is because his obsession with Korean barbecue matches mine, if not higher. Dude, it's not hanging out without Korean barbecue. It's so good. It's so good. Bro, way too much. Yo, I think I need to clean this guy. Mad oil from Korean barbecue. I need
my God.
Ooh. Dog, what the f? Dude, that's so good. I told you, for 300 an hour, ride-alongs with Jay is good.
I'll take 150. That's the cost of food. I'll be happy. Organic.
Organic ice cream?
Diet friendly.
That's so LA. Probably gonna keep this spoon forever.
Okay, you go do that.
Asshole.
What? I'm just agreeing with you, dude.
Wow. Dude, nice shirt. Wow. Nice shirt.
Nice hat.
Dude, nice hat. I don't know what it is, but today I'm kind of feeling myself. Dog, I'm kind of, just a little bit, feeling myself. I wonder why.